Hello YouTube. Today I have this unknown Hugger ceiling fan I got for free at a yard sale. It was at my neighbor's house. Let me start off here with the light. You see the light works? Now for the fan. I believe it's a Heritage. It's very loud on low. Possibly the bad capacitor, I don't know. Here's the medium. It's a lot quieter. I think it's very slow. I don't know what brand this fan is at all. I did oil it, which it needed, because it didn't even get to spin. It wasn't even able to be spun by hand. It was so locked up. Here's low and reverse. It's very loud, I don't know why. I think it's just the poor quality of it or something, I'm not sure. I think it's a capacitor problem, but I'm not too sure. Here's medium. And here's high. Here's off. I'm going to do a spin down of it. Let me just unplug it really quick, because I don't really trust it yet. I did oil the bearings on it, so it's got a better spin down than it did when I got it. I had the longer string knot so I could test it. It did not come with the fan. It came with little chains that look. These are the chains that came with 2 of these. But pretty convinced it's a Heritage. But I'm not too sure. It's definitely either a Heritage or a Kmart. Here's a close-up of the fan. I sort of almost stopped it there. Accident, but here's a close-up of it. It's got a very weird motor on it. It's reversible cane to just oak. It doesn't have filigree, which is really unusual. They do not come with bulbs, so I just put 2 amber bulbs and a CFL in it. But yeah, if anybody can tell me why it's been like it's buzzing like that, and why it's so slow, and also what brand it is, that would be appreciated. Because this fan is very childhood. It's been in the house for ever, and when I used to go over there and play with it when I was little, or I used to go over there and look at it. I don't know if I ever turned it on, but I used to look at it when I was a kid. And I've been watching. It's at the house next door to mine. They replaced it with a I have the box behind me, a Harbor Breeze Beach Creek. Here's the replacement fan. It was locked up when I got it.